What's up, guys? Welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session and live analysis like we do every day during the trading week, Monday to Friday. So today's Thursday. So there is quite a few pairs giving us trading opportunity, including gold, euro, dollar, US 30. So there are some other also coming up. News is coming, so we might find some more new trading opportunity in this live session. So as usual, like before I start, give a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see what's happening in the market. As you know that this is the best channel you will ever find to learn trading, and also this is the #1 money making channel. So if you want to be part of this, if you new today in this channel, so I'd request you to stick till the end to see what's happening, how we analyze the chart. This is a completely new things you learn from here, like our VIP students and our subscribers is learning every day. So now let's see. We are running a couple of trades, including euro dollar trades, which is running a little profit, and also we are running US 30 trade, which is also almost hitting the profit target and then retreat back. I sincerely believe that it will come down again, so it's also a little bit of in profit. So let's see what's happening in the market, starting with let's euro dollar. Now euro dollar, let's begin with British pound US dollar, and then we'll go to the euro dollar. So all these USD pairs is doing exactly according to the analysis. Early today I have posted analysis on British pound US dollar and euro dollar, as you have seen. So what I think that, as you can see yesterday when this I was doing this live stream, the price was here, you remember, and the price did exactly as I said. What did I say? The Gbpusd is likely to go up and test this important level of resistance and will have rejection. It did exactly. Now how did I predict this market that way? The reason is the long-term trend. You see that on British pound US dollar is bearish. Always look at the bigger picture. Long-term trend is the most important thing that you need to look at when you are trading. Keep in mind, trend is your friend all the time. So long-term trend is always dominant in the market in whatever situation you are trading. So long-term trend, we have seen that on British pound US dollar we have seen bearish. Now weekly perspective, we have seen that on the weekly perspective as well, British pound US dollar had a bearish engulfer. This is a very strong bearish candle, and this is a continuation of further drop. The way the price action has formed, what I think that British pound US dollar might close somewhere here. Okay, might close somewhere here. And also you know that the news is coming. Let's see the news. Before looking at the news, let's finish this one. So I think that British pound US dollar, you see that the price action has formed. The next one might just drop, melt. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Daily chart, how do I guess that this is highly bearish? The reason is, you see, when you see this kind of big move down followed by this kind of retracement, tested this swing high, this previous support here. Okay, this previous support here as a resistance, that is absolutely a strongly bearish price action, guys. Now what might happen, what I think that British pound US dollar may not drop further from here. Could be it might even close weekly candle, something like that, and then from this zone we could see a very strong move. Now we are running trade on euro dollar and US 30. Probably will close the trade soon because the news is coming, and as you know that when there is a news, the price always become volatile. So British pound US dollar, before go to the euro dollar, so British pound US dollar, now what it is doing, if you look at the intraday time frame on the 4-hour, what we have seen that after this rejection from this very important level of liquidity zone. Why? Because this level, you can see that there is a very important, quite a few candles created this level of support here. Okay, this is the level of support. the same level acted here as a resistance. Now the same level acting here as a resistance. So, and also you see there is a 20 EMA, 20 period moving average, penetrated this level of resistance, and then now it is dropping. So the way the price action, you see that every time the candle is creating series of lower high, this is a highly bearish price action, guys and girls. So Gbpusd, euro dollar, let's look at euro dollar. The euro dollar also doing the same kind of thing. The price action is highly bearish. You can see that there is a, if you look at the daily time frame, this is where I have been tempted to take euro dollar trade, and also I have sent this same trade to our VIP students. Now euro dollar, this is the daily chart. You can see from this daily 20 period moving average, euro dollar just being rejected to the downside. You can see it's a strong rejection, okay, euro dollar. And after this previous days strong bearish engulfer, we have seen that euro dollar has created a narrow doji. That's a sign of strong deceleration of the buyers activity. So there is a daily resistance here. You can see that it's a very important daily resistance here, okay. So this is the support acting on the daily time frame, okay. This is the support here, okay. So the same level here acting as a support, now the same level here acting as a resistance. So what I think that this price, after going up, we might see some spike to the upside, and then I sincerely believe that euro dollar will continue to drop. Now if you look at the 4-hour perspective, we see that this candle is going to close after 1 hour 22 minutes, but to me it's a very strong bearish price action. What I think that this price will continue to drop, and that is I am expecting on euro dollar as well. So let me look at on the chat, guys and girls, what you are up to. Amit, hello sir. Amit, very good. FX evening coach, kindly look at NZUSD. I think it's preparing for a drop. I think so, because most of the, you know, that USD pairs looks like that preparing for a drop now. With the upcoming news announcement, we see some volatility, some bullish move, okay, but I still think that dollar is still stronger. Hello sir from Norway, what, very good. Love from Sydney, RV1, Norway, okay, sorry about that, I think you said Norway, okay, Norway, very good. Thank you for joining from such a long distance. You are welcome to this Forex Trading Wizard Academy live streaming. Said, hello sir, good evening. Said, hello, very good. So from Pakistan, yeah, very good. Haidar, hello sir. Shunil, good morning. Shunil, thank you very much joining this live stream. Randall, yes, gold please. Yes sir, please. GBP USD euro dollar. Good morning, Wizard from Costa Rica, 5:30 a.m. here. Looking forward to this new trading day with the Wizard. Very good. Such an early morning. You joined from such a long distance. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Shunil, can you show one example on chart of selling lower low and buying higher high? Shunil, very good question. So let's go to that point. It's a very good question. Can you show an example on a chart selling lower low and buying higher high? It's very important to know that, see, most retail trader make this mistake that when they see the bottom, they sell. When they see the top, they buy. So selling lower low, buying higher high, what does it mean? Let's say when you see a market is trending like that, downtrend, right, creating series of lower high and lower low, okay, so this is a downtrend, okay, series of lower high and lower low. Now let's say the market is here, okay, the market is here. Now when the market is here, okay, so where do you sell? Let's see in the real chart example, then that it's easier. Okay, now look at this market here. Okay, big drop happened, right? It's a huge drop, big move. Now when you see a consolidation, big drop, okay, for example, I'll definitely, if I am in this market like that, okay, I'll be, see, look at this candle here. When you see this kind of consolidation, liquidity grab, okay, liquidity grab, consolidation, and then breakdown with this big candle, okay, followed by this doji. Okay, so this doji is a continuation pattern. This is a middleman. Now most retail trader might think that, okay, the price is at the bottom here, okay, in the support, let's buy. Now the price is at the bottom, it's a low price, so let's buy. Okay, but what happened next? Replay. You see that? That is called selling the lower low. Okay, selling the lower low. Look at this, what happened. Okay, after that we have seen a very weaker response from the buyer. Okay, even after this green candle, many retail trader will be falling to the trap, because retail trader will think, like I also thought when I started trading, it's completely fine. But what I'm saying, the way the retail trader think is that, let's say, will think that, okay, big drop happened. Okay, now we saw a bullish candle. That means that the price is low, the bulls are buying, so we could see something like that. But no, we'll see something like this. You see, we will see something like that. That is called selling from the lower low, the other way around. So even here, look at this. Okay, it's still strongly bearish, right? So that is called selling from lower low, buying from higher high. Now if you want to buy from higher high, just the other way around. So this is important, guys and girls, that you understand it. Okay, so let's look at USD CHF, please. Hello sir. Gold, please. Thank you. No problem. Hello everyone. Please look at USD CHF. Say, look at it. Gold. Yep. USD CHF. Yep. Hello user. Thank you very much. Regards from London. Thank you from Sydney. Very good. Vinaya. USD CHF, please. Good day, coach. Nas 100 USD CAD. Yep. We'll look at it. Hi sir. Oil, please. Hello. Good morning from Algeria. Oh, thank you very much. Kakulan, hi. Can you please kindly analyze USD CHF? So I see quite a few requests for USD CHF. Let's look at it. Let's I see. Okay, so let me look at now USD CHF. Okay, so USD CHF. All right. Now if I look at bigger picture monthly, all right, what I would say that, let me look at weekly. Okay guys, so USD CHF, to me, I'll not be that much interested. I'll tell you why. Because CHF, see, normally the way I try to trade is, let me look at the 4 hour. So the way I look at the market, guys, is that, see, it's very important you also understand it. See, always keep in mind, marry, okay, weaker currency, weakest possible, with strong. Okay, now CHF is naturally very strong for a very long time. Now USD getting stronger. Okay, so stronger currency with the stronger may not give a good result, but USD is very strong these days. So what I think that from here, now there are two probability. One is to drop, the other one is to rise. But I will say that if you look at weekly, this is still a little bit of bullish market. Why? Because overall market structure is bullish. If you look at monthly, we see the price just came to the monthly level of support. Now what we could see is some uprise. I think that if you look at daily, on the daily perspective, we have seen there is a bullish engulfer followed by this doji. Now today we have seen a drop. What I think that either it will move in a sideways, something like that, or we might see some bullish move, because dollar looks to me is a stronger there in terms of with all currency. Now USD CHF is coming here, also created kind of head and shoulder in this lower time frame. Okay, so now from here we could see like that sideways. On the 4 hour it's bearish. Okay, bearish means, like as I told you, it's an unpredictable market now, because both are a stronger currency. Okay? So then, for example, if you look at British pound US dollar, this is a bearish. Okay, so like that, I like to trade, for example, Aussie dollar, bearish. This kind of pairs that has a strong bearish move. Euro dollar is still bearish, but in the news we need to see actually what happened. Let's look at the news calendar, guys. If you are completely new in trading, then this website is called Forex Factory. It's a free website where you can find a high impact news release. So we see that basically tonight 10:30 p.m. Sydney time, which is now 9:47, there are 3 high impact news is coming up, and the prediction is really ridiculous. So this, after this 3 news announcement, we could potentially see some movement, good movement in the market. Now for euro dollar, what I think that we are running a trade, short trade, which is a little bit of in profit. We came almost how many p profit and then went above. So we almost came to around 22 p profit and then went above. What I think that I will keep running this trade, because I sincerely believe that it will respect the daily high. So once it will drop, it could drop in a massive way. I want to take that advantage. Okay, so this is that. And also US 30 trade, which is also running in some profit. And so we set a GBP JPY pending order as well. So this is the trade that we are running on euro dollar. Let me look at it again. So which is now almost where we have entered. So let's see what happened. What I think that this instrument will continue to drop. Okay, it's euro dollar trade that we have sold in this zone. So let's see what happened. What I believe that it should come down, because the trend is still bearish, though there is a place. So at the worst case scenario, during the news announcement, we could see spike up, probably will hit the 20 period moving average, and then we could see a retreat back. So I'll keep running this trade. Let's see what happened, because the price action to me is still bearish on euro dollar, guys and girls. So let me look at the chat. Let's see what happening. Good afternoon, Coach Uncle Harry. Good afternoon, Uncle Harry. Thanks very much. Hello from Morocco, Abdullah. Very good. Thank you very much. Hello, sir. Good morning from Nigeria. Good morning from Sydney. Please, dollar yen. Yeah, look at it. Do you use DXY to determine where a currency are heading? Yeah, definitely we look at DXY as well. Let's look at DXY. DXY is dropping now, and we see some drop on DXY. Let me look at it daily. It looks like the DXY is a little bit of bearish. Look at it. Weekly candle. weekly. Okay, weekly bullish, monthly bullish, daily a little bit of bearish, but still we don't know because there is a bullish engulfer followed by this doji 4-hour. So the price action, yeah, see 4-hour, we see that there is a big move happen, right? This is a big move. Now it is consolidating. Now from here there are two probability, is to continue to go up or to drop, probably to test this neckline, okay, and then to create a bullish move from here. So let's see what happened. It's fully unpredictable. But euro dollar, so DXY is basically indicator of euro dollar Gbpusd movement, but to me is still bearish. We see some downward move. I'm expecting it to drop. As I see gold as well, we see some drop. This is today I posted analysis on gold, and you see the price did exactly after the analysis is sent. This is the analysis that I sent to TradingView. This is exactly when the price was 1690, you can see, and gold drop from here. You see that straight drop. So smash the like button, guys and girls. I need from you guys a lot of smashing liking button. So give big thumbs up to help the stream, really helpful. To help the stream, give a big thumbs up. And let me see now on the chat. Please, I'm interested in subscribing as a student. So Akilo says, please, I'm interested in subscribing as a student for life subscription, but I can only afford yearly subscription now. Please, if I subscribe for the yearly subscription now, can I balance up later? Yeah, absolutely. You can ask more questions regarding this in the chat section. They will be able to help you in this regard. Hello sir, are you share with today's signal? I don't know what you said. Gold, yeah. Why euro so strong compared to GBP? Yeah, that this euro is sometime, you know, that GBP is strongly dropping, isn't it? So euro had a drop, but GBP had a big drop. See, yeah, sometimes it really depends. GBP is comparatively weaker currently than currency than euro these days. So it's completely, sometimes you see that euro getting weaker, sometimes GBP getting weaker. You can't predict them properly, but when you see euro GBP, then you'll know actually who is stronger and who is weaker. But what I think that this price is going up for a drop. Euro GBP, after going there, I think that will have a big drop. Okay, so basically euro also will get weaker soon. Okay, I think than GBP. Okay, so GBP has a big movement now. We see. Please, dollar yen, how long? How do you know the direction of the market, bullish or bearish? By looking at the news. No, looking at the news, you can't predict the direction of the market. Hello sir, we have a specific strategy for trading news. Okay, we teach our students in our VIP mentorship program, where the news and price action together combined a strategy that will give you a big edge over the market. If you are a lifetime member in our VIP in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you will be able to access that strategy, and we apply this strategy every day to find the trade from the market. Hello sir, please analyze Usdjpy. Look at it. Dollar yen, yeah, we'll look at it. Hello sir, I'm from Bangladesh, already taken your lifetime access. Thanks for your best support. No problem, Raihanul. You are welcome to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you very much for joining. So let's look at gold. What's happening now? I think that gold might break the level of monthly support. let's do a prediction on gold, what might happen before the news announcement. Okay, so we had a big I thought that euro dollar is still not moving as strongly as NZD USD and GBP USD is moving. Okay, I think that euro also will get weaker very soon. Okay, euro dollar also will drop very soon. Okay, so let's look at now gold. Let me look at first of all bigger picture. As usual, I always look at the bigger picture. Now you see that gold market now approaching historically monthly support zone. Let's draw a level here. Okay, so this is the gold market. Now you see that this support here, okay, support here, support here, support here. Okay, so this support gold is almost breaking. Okay, now what I think that what gold might do, we might see sometime you could see these things always so what I think that with this one, what I think it might do, we might see a sudden breakout. Okay, sudden breakout of this support on the monthly. We could see a massive drop suddenly. I think this is the liquidity zone. You see back to back 2 dodges, and from this zone we could see a big move up again. So what I think we could see, you see this is the weekly candle that is now grab liquidity and dropping, and gold I think preparing for a really bigger move to this direction, something like that, and then we might see something like this spike. So if you look at the intraday perspective on the 4-hour, we see that gold grab liquidity from the top, from this zone, and then coming down with a bearish candle. So this is as you can see on the daily perspective, gold is now below this daily important level of support. This is the daily support here with this green candle, and also this red candle. Let's draw this one here. So we see the price is below the daily support, which is really important clue to remember. And what I think that gold probably before breaking the monthly support, we could see a spike, but finally I think that gold will break the monthly support, and that will be awesome for us. Like euro dollar is coming down again, that's awesome. And let's look at US30 also coming down, and US30 and euro dollar, we are running 2 profitable trade, guys, as you have seen. And I'm US30 almost hitting the profit target just for maybe less than a pip. It just bounced back, but still we are in profit, and I sincerely believe that we'll get the full profit on this one as well. Probably you have seen that the trade that we have sent to our VIP community for euro dollar and US30 trade. So if you want to, this is the trade, you can see today's date, and it's clearly sent with analysis and everything. And if you want to learn our strategies and also trade with Forex Wizard in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to receive trade signal like this, so that you can learn and also use your trading skill to become a professional trader, you can find a link in the description area. And also I'll put a link at the you can easily find a link in the description. You can visit the website for a potential opportunity. That's the best place you will find ever to learn trading. You have seen your own eyes the real trading example. Now it's up to you that you can go to the website. I would suggest you to join the lifetime access plan, so that you can access everything we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now there is something more exclusive already. There's coming this at the end of the week. There is a huge indicator, trend following strategy indicator. Let me tell you what it is. So this is the indicator that we have developed. You see that two signals, exactly profitable trade. You see, buy trade from here, big move. Look at this, how much money you can make from here. And sell trade from here, and a straight, it is still dropping. Now this indicator was developed after a long time. This indicator includes everything that you need to trade the trend following strategy that we teach our students in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you'll first learn the strategy, learn the rules, and then you can use this indicator to find exact trade signal ever possible. There are more tools coming. Also there is a risk management tool, position size calculator coming. All this will be at the end of this week in the dashboard. So if you are a lifetime access member, you will be able to access all of them. So there is nothing in comparison with the value you will get in this plan. The price, it's nothing you will pay. So let's look at now what's happening. How do you see gold going? Thanks Forex Wizard for your time. No problem, Rob. I think that gold is bearish, but we could see some spike to the upside for a liquidity grab. But I think that gold may break this monthly support, because there is a big liquidity grab here. Is basically, I think it will continue to drop. So let's look at now Euro AUD. Please here look at it. Hi sir, this is the news coming out today, can affect the price of gold. I have opened buy trade on gold 1686. Why did you open buy trade? Yeah, the news always impact the price. There's no doubt about it. You have seen that there was a massive movement, especially when you see, if you see that this data coming very different than the expected or the forecast. That is where the big movement happens. That day happen. You have seen that there is a big movement happen. So I will not recommend buy gold at this point, because this is what I tell, that buy lower low, sell higher high. But as I told you, anything could happen. You could see immediate reverse like that. Okay, so that is why normally, as a rule of thumb, sell the lower low, buy the higher high. That's the rule of thumb. That means that I recommend that when trading with the trend is only the strategy that I love to use. Okay, so like you see that US 30 trade that we have taken, also trading with the trend. This is also trend following strategy, that according to our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Let's see what our indicator says. You can see sell exactly where we need to sell. Smash the like button now. I need 100 smash liking, like, so that this video is visible to more people. I see only few likes. I need more likes. Everybody give a big thumbs up to help the channel. Thank you very much for your help. I really appreciate your support to this channel. Thank you very much. So sir, at least reversal point is 1675, sir, for gold. You can't say what is the reversal point. It will completely depend on the price action pattern. Okay, it will completely depend on the price action, how you are using, how the price action is being formed. You can't say like this will be the reversal point. See, let's say if someone say, okay, US 30, this is the reversal point, or this, I can't say. I can say only, okay, the price action form like that. Okay, it tested the reversal pattern here, created a bearish, and let's say today when I posted analysis on GBP JPY, you see that when this doji is formed, that is where I know that it's a reversal. Okay, until this doji formed, I really don't know what's gonna happen in the market. Okay, so that's how trading is. Now before it's coming here, let's say when the price is here, if someone asked me, okay, is the, let's say 165.29 is reversal. I can't say until I see this. If I see this, okay, I still don't know. I still don't know. I still don't know. I still don't know what's happening. I still don't know. Now I know. Why? Because there is a doji that tested the 20 period moving average. Okay. And what my trend following indicator says, sell, smash the like button, buy exactly the point where I need to buy. And then I know that, okay, that is where I need to sell because it's reversing. Okay, so if you are our lifetime member, you will be able to have this indicator in your basket. You'll be able to use it in TradingView. So with that said, let's see what's happening in the chart. So latest reversal point and Euro AUD, please look at it. Dollar yen reversal trend now. We'll look at it. Dollar yen. Okay, let's look at. Sir, can you show us filter setting on Forex Factory? Yeah, okay, let me look at it. So if you go to the Forex Factory, you might see first time there is a lot of like noise you could see. But if you click here, okay, this is the filter button, this green button, and then uncheck all the unnecessary boxes, only check this red and then apply filter. Now, there is one possibility could happen that this time you see at the top, this time you need to synchronize with, now it's became unsynchronized. Okay, it's because so save setting, I synchronize with the Sydney time. Now it's synchronized. Okay, it's very important that you sync. Oops, it became again unsynchronized because I checked a couple of times. Okay, now calendar, right? Now it's showing the correct timing. Okay, so you need to synchronize because you might see a different time here. It's very important that you synchronize with your regular time. Okay, so let me look at now. I think GBP is getting very weaker. Gbpusd is dropping aggressively. That's good for us. I mean, dollar getting stronger. And let me look at US 30. Okay, US 30 also coming down as expected. We might find some profit on US 30. Let me look at. Okay. So, okay, let me look at the chat. Guys, hi Wizard, watching from Nigeria. Thank you very much for joining from Nigeria. Hi sir, how to impact to the news in gold? I think gold is bearish. Let's see what happened. We'll look at it. We might see some spike, but what I think that gold might break the level of support. Sir, how many lots are you usually trading with? Okay, so very good question. I don't specific trade lot, but I trade based on my risk management plan. I normally don't take more than 1% risk of my account money. Now, based on my risk management plan says, I just trade it like that. Okay, so great channel on YouTube about Forex trade. Thank you very much. Where to find the indicator? James, the indicator will be on the dashboard by end of this week. That means by tomorrow or after tomorrow, it will be on the dashboard. We are just finalizing the dashboard settings so that everybody can download who is in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy lifetime member. So let's look at news is coming. We have to prepare. Paul Bab says, sir, today I made 5,229 from US 30 trade you sent. Thank you for your great work. Thank you very much, Paul. Very good, very good. Yeah, US 30, very good. Yeah, I think that many of you really so you took some profit on it. Yep, this is the trade that we have sent out to our VP community. So you had a good money. That's good. So you probably have a good. So this is the US 30 trade, guys. He was talking about that we have sold from here, and that's an awesome trade. Okay, Now let me tell you why I have sent this US30 trade, guys and girls, so that next time you can catch. See, this is the skill that you need to develop as a trader. Now when this candle formed, okay, this candle was forming, this green candle, I know that the next one is coming down, okay, and that is what happened. And you can see this is the real-time data. You see that I sent the same when the price here, I told that it's gonna fall. You see, this is on trading view. I posted this analysis. The next one is coming down, and next one you saw that came exactly down. Okay, now let me tell you, this is the real thing you have seen. Now let me explain so that you can learn it, copy it, and make money every single day. Now US30, first of all, always give weight to the trend. Okay, this is the for the rest of your life, if you remember it, you will not lose money. Always give weight to the trend. Unfortunately, most trader makes this mistake, giving more weight to, I don't know, to the bottom, to the top. Instead, give more weight to the trend. Okay, trend is down. Now if you look at daily, what you saw, that there was a big strong rejection, bearish engulfer, cross the high, cross the low, right? It's a huge move happened on US30, okay, on the daily perspective, followed by a narrow doji, okay, on the daily time frame as well. You see, this is the narrow doji has formed on the daily time frame. Okay, now after this narrow doji, what we have seen today, as soon as market open, we have seen a little bit of upward movement, little bit, you see that little bit of upward movement. And then 4 hour perspective, this is where I have been tempted to take the trade and also to send this to our VIP students. The reason is, you see, when this big massive drop happened, can you let me know that you can hear me or no? I'm back. Let's see if you guys and girls can hear me. That will be awesome if I see you. Okay guys, so can you hear me now? Can you see me? I can see myself, so definitely you guys and girls also can see me, hopefully. So there is, I'm really apologize, there is internet disruption happen, and as a result we have been disconnected for some time. Loud and clear, thank you very much, we come back. This apology for that. So let's start. The news is coming. Okay, so we finally came back. Euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, as expected, it's going down according to the direction of our trade, and US30 also going down in the direction of our profit target. So awesome, I came back to you guys. So US30, our profit target at 3108, and I hope that during this news we'll have a hit on profit target, and the only thing that will keep the trade running. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for your patience. The internet connection was a little bit of error, but finally, thank you very much. Everybody can see me, I also can see you. It was awesome, and let's go back to the work. So gold, as I told you, gold is coming down, and I think that gold will continue to drop. There is a strong bearish engulfer on gold, GJ, all these pairs are coming down. Euro dollar, now euro dollar, we have our profit target at 0.9933, and I look forward to hit the profit target during this news. And after 6 minutes, the trade, the news is coming, and we'll be keeping the trade on during the news announcement. Let's see what happened. Okay, so US30, let me look at what's happened with US30. We might close one with good profit. So US30 is nearing the hitting the profit target. The way the price action is moving, I think that after a little move, we will have a profit target hit on US30, so we'll keep that running. So now let me tell you what's happening with some other pairs such as AUD and ZD. We see some good movement on Aussie dollar as well. So let me look at chat, guys. Thank you for it was really sometime it happens the internet because there is a little bit of stormy environment on Sydney. I think because of that, a little bit of disruption on internet connection, but finally lucky that we have got you and I've got you, you have got me. That's awesome. So news coming after 5 minutes, so prepare for news. Let's see. British pound US dollar is crazily bearish. Okay, euro dollar the same way, a bit less than British pound US dollar. British pound US dollar is just melting after this doji. We see a massive melt. I think I posted analysis on GBP AUD and GBP and ZD as well. Okay, GBP and ZD. Okay, we might find after this candle close a good trade on GBP and ZD. There is a double doji. Okay, double doji with a liquidity grab. Okay, GBP and ZD now preparing for a bigger move. Okay, so we could find good trade on GBP and ZD. You see that if you look at the daily, there was a liquidity grab on the daily as well, big and a spike to the upside, penetrated this zone and then grab liquidity. On the monthly perspective, we have seen GBP and ZD just bounce from the monthly resistance, so all the 4 time frame is aligning. Weekly, yeah, there is a liquidity grab on the weekly as well. Daily, we have seen there was a spike to the upside on the daily time frame, and from this zone, from this resistance, we have seen this is a very important level. We have seen a big move. Now if we look at the 4 hour, we have seen double doji. Okay, and then the price creating this bearish pattern, and I think there are 2 probability. One less probability is to go up again to create a green candle and then to immediately come back down, which is, if that's the case, that will be awesome selling opportunity. But what I think that it might even not go there. Instead, we could see drop. So let's see what happened after the candle close, and I'll really know what to do with GBP pairs. So GJ also, there is a big drop. GU, okay, GU is extremely bearish. You can see that, guys. Let me look at Euro AUD. Some of you are requesting for Euro AUD is pushing high after this bearish candle, but what I think that Euro AUD might create a drop from this zone. Okay, I think it's going in a selling zone. Euro AUD long term bearish, monthly bearish, weekly bearish. Okay, the price already reached this resistance zone. Daily, so there was a pin bar on the daily. You see, this is a nice looking pin bar with a liquidity grab. The price now is exactly at around 50% of this pin bar, exactly at 50%. Okay, guys, so on the 4 hour, the price created this candle. I think that we might see Euro AUD is coming back down from here, something like that, bank drop probably like that, and then could see some change of trend. For me, Euro AUD as well is bearish. Okay, let's see what happened. Euro dollar, Euro AUD, let me look at all the again what happened, why it's showing a little bit of again out of internet. Guys, can you see me? Hopefully I'm still on. Okay, I'm still on. Very good. So let's look at dollar yen. I see some request on dollar yen. Okay, we see some spike on euro on the news. Okay, so euro AUD spike means Aussie dollar has a drop. So euro dollar, okay, dollar looks like getting stronger. That's good for us. Okay, Gbpusd has a massive drop, so gold also will drop. So see first what happened in the market, and then we'll decide what to do. Internet looks like still not healthy. Okay, so we see some volatility. First, let's look at the result of the news, what's happened. I don't know, probably too unlucky about it. That's fair. Let me look at my mobile for 1 second. Let's not fair. Unlucky. Okay guys, so I came back again. Hopefully you guys can see me now. Okay, let's quit. Let's get started again. Okay, some day are like this. We have to fight with the day sometime. Okay, so let's see what's happening in the market. Hopefully this time we will be all right. I've restarted everything. So let's begin with all the pairs again. What's happening, and then we'll see basically what might happen. The news is released. Let's look at news now. What's happened, what's the result of the news, and then we'll try to understand actually what might happen. If you go to the calendar, we see that the result is very positive than forecast. Okay, so okay, some mixed. So this one is negative than forecast, this one is positive than forecast, this one also positive. Okay, so overall the news is favorable to dollar. So now let's see what's happening on the pairs. Now we see that gold was dropping, British pound, US dollar. Now dollar get a little bit of weaker in the meantime. Let's see on euro dollar, we see that some trying to create a little bit of upward move, but to me I think that is still bearish, because there is a resistance here with this daily 20 period moving average on dollar. And what I think that after this one is closing after 15 minutes, right? If this one closes as a doji, what I think that the price will continue to drop again. Dollar could continue to become stronger. Okay, and ZD/USD. So let's look at all the GBP pairs. GJ strongly dropped, and we'll see which pair giving us. So Euro AUD, as I told you, that Euro AUD to me is in a very strong position, and I think that the price might continue to drop from here, because there is a pin bar on daily. This is Euro AUD, and from this zone we could see a rejection. To me, that could be a very strong bearish price action. Now euro dollar, we see some upward movement, and but I still believe that euro dollar will drop. It might even create a lower high here, and let's see what happens. We'll see some movement to the upside, but for me I think that euro dollar, like all other pairs, euro dollar might test this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, and then we could see some rejection. Okay, so this is 20 period moving average at 1.014, because this zone is really high liquidity on euro dollar. So gold also, okay, so gold also has gone up a little bit. US 30 did the same thing, a little bit of upward movement. the way the price action on, let's say, the Aussie dollar, it's also a bearish price action on Aussie dollar. You can see there is a liquidity gap here. Okay, it's a head and shoulder here as well, and it is just below this 20 period moving average, and I think that it will just melt like that. Okay, to me dollar is still strong, and I think that dollar will continue to get stronger. So in the next 15 minutes, if we look at the 15 minutes chart, this is euro dollar price action on 15 minutes. What I think that this 15 minutes candle, to me, it's kind of liquidity gap. See, there is a moving average coming, and from this zone we could see some rejection. What I think that, that euro dollar, this 20 period moving average will touch, and then it might close as a doji, and then we could see movement to the downside. Let's see what happened. So Eurojpy, Euro GBP, Euro GBP also we see a strong move up. Let me look at the daily. See dollar yen. In terms of dollar yen, I think that dollar is still creating a bullish price action here. Okay, so in dollar yen, you can see that there is a big move happen here to the downside, tested this important level of neckline, this previous support as the previous resistance as support, and now back to back two dojis. But these two dojis, to me, is still bullish, because the overall there is already a big bullish engulfer here. You see that, and the price came to this zone. It's to me is still bullish. Okay, so euro dollar, it reached the 20 period moving average zone. From this zone, what I think that, let's see what happened. I think it will respect the daily high. This is the previous daily high. Let's look at the daily. Now there is a daily 20 period moving average exactly here. I think it will touch 20 EMA, daily 20 EMA, and then we might see a drop. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for euro dollar. So if you look at 4 hour on a USDCHF, okay, so after the test of 20 period moving average, we see some drop. Okay, we could see some drop. So what I think that, as I told you, the euro dollar, okay, tested this 20 MA. Now it might close as a doji somewhere here, and then from this zone we could see euro dollar is coming down. That's what I think. Let's see what happened. Still didn't touch the daily 20 MA. What I think that, as I told you, that it might go up to, let's say, at 1.022 or maybe below this level, because there is already a daily, you see that lower high. I think it will respect this level and then it will continue to drop. Okay, but anything can happen in trading. Okay, anything can happen. As I told you, it even could create a higher low and then continue to drop. Okay, so but you see there is a big move happen, and as a part of this move, or I think that euro dollar will come down. So we still have 5 minutes for this candle to close. So what kind of, this is the 15 minutes chart. If we look at euro AUD, euro CAD, let's look at Aussie yen, yen. I don't know, today maybe. Okay, so euro dollar, now what happening is, you see that this is 4-hour candle. First of all, there is a long rejection here, right? Now this one is closing after 4 minutes below this level, creating a lower high below this daily 20 period and 4-hour 20 period moving average. This is a high probability that euro dollar will continue to drop. Okay, it might go up a little bit up, but what I think that it will respect this this resistance here. Okay, and then you see it's dropping now. I think even if it might close as a doji and then could continue to drop. So this is the 15 minutes candle on euro dollar, which is decelerating. Okay, as expected. So you see there is it's a kind of head and shoulder with this head, left shoulder and right shoulder. What I'm expecting is to melt down again euro dollar. Now with that gold, on the hourly chart, there is also a liquidity gap. Test the 20 EMA. So I can jump a little bit. Seller's look is stronger. You see them is coming down now. The last moment. So there's a lot of selling pressure coming. You see that last couple of seconds. Okay, kind of close. So let's see all the pairs quickly. What's happened? Okay, the UD CAD, Aussie CHF, Aussie Yen, Aussie Dollar, CAD CHF, CAD JPY, CHF JPY, UD ZD, Euro AUD, Euro CAD. The Euro CHF has given us really strong bearish price action. There is a rejection from the bottom, but could see still drop. Euro GBP, I'm just looking at all of them. and then I'll tell you which way what's happening in my opinion. So euro dollar to me is has created a bearish price action. I don't think that it will be able to go up from here. And ZD/USD, okay, double triple doji. Now it is, to me it's a strong bearish price action. You see this small body, I think that it will just continue to drop from here. GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP USD also bearish. You see with this red candle left a week, the price will come to fill that week. GJ also bearish. GBP and ZD, okay, GBP and ZD is highly bearish. Let me look at the daily, because it's a long-term downtrend. Monthly we have seen primarily, daily 4 hour. Okay, so could see some upward movement, but finally I think that GBP and ZD will continue to drop. There is a head and shoulder, okay, on this one. And you see that euro dollar now coming down, and I think that euro dollar will continue to drop. So let's shortlist some of the pairs. What's happening with gold? Yeah, bearish. NZD CAD, very strongly bearish. There is a hanging man, okay, on NZD CAD. Outsell this hanging man. Let me look at daily. Yeah, it's a bearish price action. Weekly bearish, monthly. So there is a hanging man on NZD CAD, guys, with a 20 period moving average. So it's a bearish NZD CAD, bearish from here. I think it will melt, okay, it will melt from here. NZD CHF bearish, okay. USD CAD created a bullish price action. Dollar Swiss franc, I'll not be doing anything on this one. Dollar yen, to me it's bullish, okay, or in a sideway. Okay, so euro dollar, as expected, I think that this one will continue to drop, okay, and we could see good drop on euro dollar. It tested the 20 EMA on the 4 hour and also almost on the daily, nearly there. So it will basically touch, and I think that I don't think euro dollar will be able to break this high now, because during the high impact news it couldn't do it. There is a resistance here with a lower high, okay, and slowly I think it will just continue to drop, okay. So euro dollar to me is bearish. GBP USD also bearish with this doji. It created a long week candle, means the price will now slowly might go up a little bit and will come down to fill that week, and with that it will just continue to drop, okay. So for me dollar is stronger, okay guys. So like as usual, Aussie yen also created a bearish price action. Yeah, Aussie CAD, same thing, bearish, okay. GBP NZD, grab couple of liquidity, and we can sell GBP NZD, okay, from here, probably above this doji. So let me recommend this trade. Let me look at the daily. Okay, I will say that GBP NZD is a sell trade, like that, 1 to 1.0 up to here. Okay, so this is the trade that I'll say that a sell trade. Okay, GBP NZD from this zone, and I think that this instrument will continue to drop as this is a long-term bearish. So there is a 20 EMA back to bearish candle. Let me double check everything. I'll sell it 1 to 1.3 just to keep the profit target at daily 20 period moving average, because we might see some spike. So if we move it here now, entry, could see. So the price may reach this dodgy area. There is a liquidity, and what I would say, GBP and ZD from this zone. Okay, so from this level, yeah, I think I would say that GBP and ZD can be sold, can be taken this trade in this way. Okay, there is a strong back-to-back 3 liquidity grab, strong bearish candle, head and shoulder, long-term bearish, everything is in favor. So GBP and ZD can be traded in this way. This is my recommended trade on this live stream, is GBP and ZD. Now euro dollar is coming down. I think we are running a trade, and I will keep it running until we hit the full profit target. US 30 as well, we are running the trade. We were already, for a little bit we didn't hit the profit target, but I will keep running that trade as well. Okay, I think that it will come down and we'll hit our profit target on. It's coming down now, and I sincerely believe that it will come down and should get the profit target on this one as well. So guys, yeah, euro dollar as expected coming down. So all the things going in the direction as expected, like the one that US 30. So dollar yen. What about the gold? Yeah, gold has grabbed liquidity on the hourly, so sign of drop on gold. So next hour gold, so what you could see, a little bit of up and then could drop again. Okay guys, so this is the thing that happening, is that we see that dollar is still stronger in my opinion, and I think that euro dollar will continue to drop. US 30, yeah, it's coming down, and GBP and ZD could continue to drop. So this is the thing guys. Hopefully that you enjoyed this live stream, and a little bit of disruption in the internet connection, so yeah, I apologize for that. And with that said, I'm gonna end this session. Hopefully you found value in this session, as like every day I try to give maximum value possible for everyone, so that everyone can benefit it. With that said, guys and girls, I'll be wrapping up this session. If you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me, and also receive my favorite trend following indicator, let me see on GBP and ZD so far what trade my trend following indicator said is a buy trade. Here you can see, if you buy from here, exactly you can take this move. Smash the like button. when if you are a lifetime member in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you will be able to access this indicator. At the end of this week, we are uploading everything on the dashboard. So I will invite you to visit the website to join the Forex Trading Wizard Academy lifetime access membership, and also other option available. You can have the best academy ever possible. With that said, I'll wrap up this session. I'll see you soon tomorrow, same time in this live session. Thank you. Have a good day, and also make sure you guys and girls manage your risk and trade safely.